Okay, this is you were saying your type of...
This is our hand-me-down room. Pretty much everything you see in this room has been handed down from somebody else to us. Except for this was ours. We bought this.
Everything else.
But everything else has been given to us graciously from people.
Yeah, from our friends. Oh.
It's always great to have friends and family that care about you, isn't it?
The love seats and couch, they're from her Aunt Susanna.
Excellent.
The table and chair also from her Aunt Susanna.
And then the coffee and end tables are for Robin and Carl.
So.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So the only changes we've really made to this room have been the paint.
We got rid of the god-awful red.
What a great transformation! And see how much bigger it looks?
I don't know if you remember the red or not.
Oh, I do. I remember. I think you said that's got to go.
Yeah, and it went.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
The Christmas room because the green carpet and the red wall.
Yes. Yes.
So yeah, we've toned it down a little bit.
Oh, quite a bit. Yeah, and it's nice and neutral, which is great.
Yeah, it's pretty casual.
It looks a lot bigger now that the colors are better. So.
Oh, absolutely. And it flows.
Carpet is eventually going to go. And we're going to put...
Robin's plan is to put hardwood down here. Get rid of the green carpet.
Yeah.
She's not really a carpet person, so...
Oh, not really a carpet person.
All the carpet in the house will be gone at one point in time, so...
Oh, is that right? Okay.
Except for the bedroom, maybe.
Okay. All right.
So.
Makes sense.